Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 SEO hacks for your print-on-demand business, and these are 4 features inside of Sales Samurai that a lot of Etsy sellers are skipping over and missing out on. I'm also going to share with you an evergreen niche that has a lot of money in it that not a lot of other sellers mention or tapping into. So be sure to stick around until the very end of this video so you scoop up all of these gems to help you crush out more sales on Etsy with print on demand. And as always, I'm going to provide a ton of resources down below in the description. I have a 7-day free Etsy bootcamp for you that's going to take you day by day over the next 7 days to help you get set up with your very own Etsy print-on-demand business. And you can also access the free trial of Sales Samurai down below and follow along with me here today as I guide you through these 4 features that most people are missing out on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so I have went ahead and logged into Sales Samurai, and the first thing that you see when you log in is all of these tutorial videos that show you how every single one of the features work here inside of Sales Samurai. Now, in several videos, I have shown you guys how to use the basic search and also how to use the Chrome extension. And if you haven't watched those videos yet, I will link those for you down below because there are so many great features on this tool that helps me in my business. So hopefully it will do the same for you. So what I'm going to hit on today, under the shop tab right here, you can actually connect your Etsy shop, and this is also going to help with the API connection between the tool and the Etsy data. So you can connect that, and then what it will also do is analyze your shop and let you know if you're missing anything. So that right there is a nice little hack to tell you what you need to fix in your own store, because there could be some things that you overlooked, and then that is really going to help you out. The next thing is the competition tracker, and I will show you this in just a moment. So what you can do is take the store URL, any other store that you've kind of been watching, you're inspired by, you're taking inspiration from, and you can put it in here and you can actually track their sales. Now, I personally really like to do this because it lets me see that there is lots of sales happening on the platform, and you can see how many listings are getting added, and that can keep you on track in your own business with staying excited and seeing how other stores are performing. Then we have the favorites right here. So if you have keywords that you're using repeatedly over and over again, you can heart those keywords, and then that is going to save them for you. So it's going to continue to update, the search volume and the competition. And so you don't have to keep typing those in every single time. They're all going to be saved under your favorites tab. And then you guys know how much I love the profit calculator. I use this all the time when I'm doing my listings, right? Because sometimes pricing changes inside of Printify. And so being able to update your pricing with accurate numbers, knowing all of the fees and everything, that calculator is priceless for your Etsy business. And then we have the calendar. So the calendar is going to be a really great reminder of some possible niches that you can jump into or seasonal items that you may not have otherwise thought of. There are some really, really cool ones in here. So for example, American Beer Day, Sandwich Day, Bologna Day, like who would think of these things? So then these are some additional little niches that you can look at and type into Etsy and Sales Samurai and maybe find yourself a little pocket where there's not a whole lot of competition, but people are really searching for this. Hey, look at this one, Taco Day. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love tacos. So there may be a little bit of a gold mine there for you. But what we're really going to focus on today in this video is doing a single listing search. So what I'm going to do is pop over to Etsy and just go really broad with my search. And then we're going to bring a single listing over and analyze it over here. Okay, so I'm over on Etsy and I am using an incognito window, and I've seen several comments on my videos of people asking, how do you find an incognito window? So what you do is there's 3 little dots right here. You click on those and then it says new incognito window. And so this is going to pull it up in a new window. And why that's important is simply because if you're not using an incognito, your previous browsing history is going to be showing up in the Etsy search. So it's going to be more tailored to you instead of being more general. So I've typed in Etsy women's tees, and I also use the filter to select best sellers. We can scroll through and we can kind of see what's going on. We can see what's popular now, and we're just going to go ahead and pull one up. So here is a really cool, simple t-shirt that is just text. And as you can see, this one is a bestseller and it has over 20 in the cart. And so what I'm going to do now is copy the URL at the top of this listing just by going Control-C to copy. And now we're back in Sales Samurai. We're going to click on search and then single listing. Then we're going to go ahead and paste that URL right here in the box and then simply click search. All right, so once that loads, then you can see all of the details about this listing. If it was running kind of slow for you, one additional thing that if you haven't connected your shop or updated the shop connection, that can probably help as well. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So you can see the entire title. You can see the category that they placed this item in. You can see how many characters they're using, how many words are in the title, characters are in the description, and how many images they are using. Then you can come down and see how many views that this has gotten, how many views that they're getting every single month, right? So this listing is generating over 1,000 views every single month. That is really, really great. And then down at the bottom, you can actually see all of the tags that they are using. Now, I work with a lot of other Etsy sellers, and I know even though tags are very simple once you get the hang of it, a lot of new sellers actually struggle with what to put in their tags. So this should actually help you. If you go and start analyzing what some of the bestseller tags are, it's going to help you to understand what a good tag looks like and help you frame it in your mind for what you should be doing. I like to make it uniquely mine. However, this is going to give you a good idea and you can use some of their elements. So their tags are vintage, gift for women, gift, birthday gift, rainbow, retro, heart, sorority shirts, be kind, love one another, Christian shirt, Bible shirt, Jesus is better. And then over here, you can see all of the search volume for every single one of those. This is extremely helpful. So you now have a good idea of a lot of the elements of the best sellers from the keywords that they're using in their title, which you can then take the keywords and run them through the basic search, restructure the title if you need to, right? Because a more seasoned store than yours might have a different order to their keywords in the title. And down in the tags, you can also see some really great evergreen niches that not a lot of other sellers even talk about. And that is the Christian niche, the Bible niche, or Jesus, right? Religious niches. Now, this is also about kindness, which is also a niche in itself. And in addition to that, sorority. I learned in one of the videos that we need to look at trademarks, right? So you want to make sure that you're not actually using the sorority names. However, over on Trademarkia, you can see that the word sorority in itself, the more general term, is not trademarked. So if we just type in sorority shirts, you can see this is a medium competition keyword with a search volume of 1,067 searches per month. So yes, you can absolutely use that in a tag and it will be fine. Just always make sure you use trademarkia.com to look at your trademarks and make sure that you can use that in your title, in your description, and in your tags. So in addition to the basic search and the Chrome extension, this single listing search is also extremely helpful and will help you to hack your SEO very, very efficiently. And for those of you that are new and don't even fully understand what SEO is, it's search engine optimization, right? Etsy is a platform geared towards search. Customers come there and type in a keyword or an item that they're looking to buy, such as Comfort Colors Be Kind shirt. And then based on the keywords in the listing, this will pop up and you can see 1,000 people a month are viewing this listing. So Etsy literally has all of the buyer traffic that you need. If you show up to your business every single day, there are buyers there for you. The key is that it has to be treated like a business, right? Etsy has been my business for the past 3 years, and so I know it very, very well. However, when I first started Etsy, I knew nothing. I was a blank slate. I had no clue how to get a sale on Etsy. I just put up a listing and cross my fingers and hope for the best. But I learned over time that there's actually a strategy to Etsy. And once you get the elements right, then this is such a very, very lucrative platform. And combining it with print on demand, this is by far one of the best business models out there, because once those listings are populated in your store, Etsy is going to continue to send you traffic, and then Printify is going to print and ship and fulfill the orders for you. Absolutely priceless. So let me know down below, have you been using these features on Sales Samurai, or did you just now discover them today? Also, be sure to let me know what your favorite takeaway is from today's video. I am so excited about your success with Etsy and print on demand, so I have created an entire playlist for you that I'm going to link right here so that you can click on that and watch all of the videos that I have created to help you succeed on Etsy. I'm also going to, in the description down below, link all of the videos related to Sales Samurai so you can go through those and learn how to master this tool to help you with your Etsy SEO. Make it an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.